We are going to open up a fireworks stand outside the courthouse. Hello, welcome to the fireworks stand where you can get free fireworks. How can we help you today, sir?
Can I please have 2 packs of firework rockets?
Yes.
Thanks.
Uh-oh. It's one of the sheriff.
Boys, how dare you open up a fireworks stand outside the courthouse? That's it. I am taking you both home.
Willis and October, how do you open up a fireworks stand outside the courthouse? That's it. You both are grounded.
Now go upstairs to your rooms and think about what you have done.
What?